Mustang Coupe.
It is somewhat easy to open the hood on a classic car, and that's a good working mechanism.
Was right here.
I know.
I've
I've had them here, but this one's here, and I believe that's correct. I know you guys are all laughing at me right now. It's fine. Okay, this looks like a totally original interior engine compartment. Paint looks correct. It looks like it might have been repainted, or that's just a decal smudge over there. Shocks are right. Brakes are right. That is definitely a custom valve covers on there. Aftermarket covers, aftermarket air cleaner, 289. Aftermarket hoses, of course. Those hoses are huge. These hoses are for the heater core, right here. Power solenoid, and got the FOMOCO water bag for the cleaning the windshield. Looks like a new alternator. It looks like manual steering. Want to check it? See if it's manual steering? Turn the wheel. I think it's a manual steering. I don't see a power steering pump.
No.
Yep, that's manual steering. There's no power steering pump on this car, so it's got manual steering. That's a custom fan shroud. I don't recognize that being stock. Obviously, it's a custom radiator also. And do they have an overflow? Yep, they got a tube for an overflow right down there. So it's got some modifications to it. It's got that's a new. Oh my gosh, I am forgetting things. I know, Bobby, you're probably laughing at me, and I can't remember what that's called. I know. I'm just, it's a senior moment. Forgive me, guys. I don't know why I put all this stuff on video and give people, target practice at me. The hood alignment.
Little things are in the video. Leave a comment there.
Exactly.
There we go. Look at that. I helped you with the curve.
Thank you so
You're
much.
helping me with the curve. I'm helping you with the curve.
So the trunk alignment is a little bit off on that left corner, but she's a clean coupe, and I'm not 100% clear it's an original color, and it's at
Gateway Classic Cars at the Philadelphia showroom.
Come check it out.